Pop quiz, bleach or vinegar? Which should you be using to regularly flush your AC drain line? We get this question a lot. Both will effectively clean and sanitize your condensate drain line, get rid of slimy buildup, and help stave off mold infestation, ultimately preventing clogs and water damage to your house. HVAC experts have historically recommended either. We prefer distilled white vinegar. Turn off your HVAC unit and cut the power at the breaker box. Find your condensate drain line, typically a vertically oriented PVC pipe, sometimes with a cap, sometimes not, located near your indoor HVAC unit. Pour a half cup of distilled white vinegar into the drain line. Wait 30 minutes to an hour. Flush the line by pouring a half cup of water in it. Check the outside end of the pipe to ensure it flows freely. The vinegar option is less corrosive and doesn't emit potentially damaging chemical fumes like bleach does, ultimately going easier on your system, especially if you have aluminum coils. Plus, it's more eco-friendly than bleach. Whichever you choose, never use both. Mixing bleach and vinegar creates a dangerous toxic gas, so stick with one or the other. And if you learned something there, please like and share.